The first ever Community Health Worker Rally Day will be at the state capitol this morning.
Fox 43's Tyler Hatfield live in Harrisburg to speak with community health workers from across the state and learn why they're urging legislators to take action. Tyler.
Yeah, later this morning, community health workers, or CHWs, will be here on the Capitol steps rallying to state lawmakers and the community. Now, community health workers help facilitate connections between the community and healthcare systems in those communities and also the State Department of Health. They provide health education and informal counseling, advising, and so much more. But today, they want to urge lawmakers about ways that they can take action and help fund these positions. And I'm joined here with Jamie. She is a CHW from Allentown, and you're on the front line every day. What do you experience out there in the community?
There's a lot of homelessness. There's a lot of need for resources, which is the number one thing that as community health workers we provide. I see a lot of need. We do a lot of social determinants of health. As a community health worker, being that frontline person, we do a lot of home visits. Number one thing is we're out there in the community, and so we meet people where they are. So it doesn't matter where we are. It could be soup kitchen. It could be a community-based organization. We're not just in the hospital setting. We really meet a variety of people, and they're not just clients or patients. They're our neighbors. Like I said, community health workers are trusted members from the community they live in, but we're also, from lived experience. So, we could relate to the people around us, and so that's why we are trusted members.
And today is almost a call to action to state legislators as well. What do you want them to do?
Well, we want support, and we want sustainability for the workforce. Grants only last so long. And so we're here today. The purpose is that we need support for sustainable financing. And that's the main point of why we're here. We need legislators to know that, but we also need them to know the value of what a community health worker is and what we bring to the table, because we reduce hospitalization, ED visits. We're in the health and human service field. And so we've been there through COVID when things were shut down. We've met them out there in the community. So we've kept things going when other things were not being able to be addressed.
Now, you're going to be on the Capitol steps today with hundreds of other CHWs from across the state. How does that make you feel that you're joining them in this fight?
Oh, wow. I'm proud. I've been doing this for 13 years, and so I sit at the table in many ways. I wear many hats, sit in many committees and boards. But to see this happen in such a short period of time and how this came to play, setting this whole thing up, to see community health workers come together. We're going to have about 200 plus coming. And so to see them here, I can't wait to see the vision of all of them here. It's extremely important for community health workers to see each other. And for the fact of knowing that we're all around Pennsylvania. We have 500 plus certified community health workers, which means we have even more community health workers throughout Pennsylvania standing in the gap for our communities. And so, we need to know that we're here for each other, to lean on one another throughout the state of Pennsylvania to make a better commonwealth, right? So that's important.
All right, well, thank you so much for being here this morning. Now, this rally will take place at 11:30 this morning. So if you want more information, head to our website at fox43.com. Live in Harrisburg, I'm Tyler Hatfield, Fox 43 News.